Welcome to this tutorial on how to burn your belly fat and lose weight. Belly fat is a stubborn problem that many people struggle with, but with the right knowledge and effort, it is possible to shed those unwanted pounds. In this video, we will discuss the best strategies for burning belly fat, and how to create a diet and exercise plan that will help you achieve your desired results. Let's get started. 1. Diet changes. The first step in burning belly fat is making changes to your diet. Eating healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates can help you stay full longer and provide the necessary nutrients for burning fat. Avoiding processed foods and added sugars is also important for helping you reach your goals faster. Additionally, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day as it helps keep you hydrated and can help reduce bloating. 2. Interval training. Interval training is one of the most effective methods for burning belly fat as it increases your heart rate quickly and keeps it elevated throughout the workout. This type of exercise combines short bursts of high-intensity activities such as running or jumping jacks followed by periods of rest or low-intensity exercises such as walking or jogging. You can do interval training with any type of cardio exercise or even strength training exercises like push-ups or burpees. 3. Resistance training. In addition to interval training, resistance training can also be helpful in burning belly fat as it helps build muscle, which increases your metabolism and helps you burn more calories throughout the day even when you're not exercising. You can do this type of exercise with weights, bands, or bodyweight exercises such as squats, lunges, planks, etc. Aim for 3 to 4 days a week of resistance training for best results. 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for not only maintaining good health but also for losing weight as well, since sleep deprivation can lead to increased cravings for unhealthy foods which can sabotage your efforts. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night in order to give your body enough time to rest and recover from workouts, while also helping reduce stress levels which can lead to unhealthy eating habits if not controlled properly. 5. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is essential when trying to lose weight because it allows you to see what's working and what needs improvement so that you can make necessary adjustments along the way in order to maximize results. Tracking methods include weighing yourself regularly, preferably on the same scale each time, keeping a food journal or tracking app such as MyFitnessPal or Lose It, taking before/after pictures every few weeks, if possible, so that you have something tangible that shows progress over time, etc. Conclusion. Burning belly fat doesn't have to be difficult if you have the right knowledge and strategies in place. With some changes in diet combined with regular exercise, especially interval training, plus getting enough sleep every night and tracking your progress along the way, you should be able to see results within a few weeks if done consistently over an extended period of time. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope these tips help you reach your goals.